So since performance appraisals is about planning and executing properly to give constructive feedback, so this will the kind of example in a problem that helps to solve in this situation. So let's give an example. The problem is evaluation evaluable only for very good or very poor employees. So here in this situation, so you can evaluate specific behaviors or results to show specifically on what employees needs to improve para malaman nila kung ano ang kanilang mga on their performance, if it's excellent or bad. So next is problem. So managers encourage employees to achieve short-term goals. So yung solution dito is managers should be appraised for how they appraise their employees. So 5 problem, managers are too subjective or biased. So solution is evaluate specific behaviors or results. Problem, managers show emotional anguish. So yung solution is to focus on behavior and do not criticize employees, conduct appraisal on time. So statistical reports pertains that contains data on various developments within the firm. It gives an objective description of numerical data that are presented in statistical table. So there are 7 information about which found in a statistical report. One here is labor efficiency rates. Is the difference between the actual number of direct labor hours worked and budgeted direct labor hours that should have been worked based on the standards. So yung labor efficiency rates is ito yung target ng mga cost na provides ng mga benchmarks against para ma-measure ang kanilang mga actual performance. So yun. So quality control projects are the systems in your company that detects defects. It prevents customers internal and external from receiving defective products. So ito yung quality control projects ay sila yung nag-inspection ng mga points para yung mga nang-receive ng mga inspection para mag-prevent yung mga defective materials na nakakritical sa kanilang proseso. So accounts receivable is the balance of money due to a firm for goods or services delivered or used but not yet paid for the customers. It was listed on the balance sheet for purchases for made some credit. So itong accounts receivable is sila yung nagkakakalculate sa mga profitability na mag-provide ng mga clear indicator particular sa mga business income para siyang yung siya nag-represent sa money into the company. So accounts payable is refers to practices, procedures, and policies used by a company within the respect to managing trade credit purchases. This task involves seeking trade credit lines, acquiring favorable terms of purchase, managing the timing and flow of purchase. Ang account payable is ito yung nag-provide ng mga clearest indicator of business income as they represent in their money sa ilang company para malaman nilang kung ano yung positive sa company if nakakita ba yung habang yung negative naman is regarding sa kanilang increase ng assets of their liabilities. So next is sales reports. Analysis report gives an overview of the state of the sales activities within a company. It shows the different trends happening in the sales volume over a certain time, but also analyzes the different steps of the sales funnel and the performance of sales executives. So, ang sales report is ito yung nagre-record ng mga sales activity in a period of time about sa mga ongoing na mga opportunities, mga accounts, at mga costs. Accident reports is a form that is filled out in order to record details of an unusual event that occurs of the facility such as an injury to a patient. Why are accidents reported? Because it helps to develop solutions to potential risks from accidental loss. So accident reports is many employees is parang hindi sila want to report sa mga accident because they were afraid. So they will be disciplined for not following procedures. So through accident reports para malalaman natin agad kung ano yung mga risk nila para maging aware sila sa mga sitwasyon o sa mga problema. And last is power consumption report, determined by the current draw of the electrical circuits that implement the physical communication layer and by the amount of time during which the radio is turned on. So why organizational systems was very important? Because it is important to know how well the organization is performing, identifying the areas of concerns, and then taking of an appropriate solution so that we can be aware in ourselves on how we can figure out when it comes to control in our daily lives. So yun. And that's it, the end.